Python extract pattern matches. I am trying to use a regular expression to extract words inside of a pattern. I have some string that looks like this. I want to extract the word my_user_name. I do something like how do I extract my_user_name now?
You can use matching groups, e.g. Here I use re.findAll rather than re.search to get all instances of my. Using re.search, you need to get the data from the group on the match object. As mentioned in the comments, you might want to make your regex non-greedy. To only pick up the stuff between a name and the next is valid, rather than allowing your regex to pick up other is valid in your group.
You need to capture from regex. Search for the pattern if found, retrieve the string using group, index. Assuming valid checks are performed,
you could use something like this.
Maybe that's a bit shorter and easier to understand.
If you want to stop channel, please consider the end of query.